So let's hope that that was the only one in that tree, because now they're smashing it a little bit.